Yeah, if you steer up towards me, maybe. Go more. Give her. Oh yeah.
Alright, we out here doing bad boy stuff, you know. We out in the trenches, we gonna be in the mud, Here we go. It's Dylan in his 4K Blazer. Let's go.
Oh my god, so close!
I'm a big fan of the neutral drops.
Oh, I know, yeah.
We have a car has that bonus.
This is Derek, the big dick.
About fucking time!
Alrighty-o, let's have a damage report on the HEEP. So, of course, the debilitating incident. There goes one, cracked rib. For some reason, when you hit big puddles, fenders come apart. But hey, we'll have those on the big ones. 2 vehicles in a row that the fenders, you know, they're there. I guess we cooked a solenoid on the winch, but hey, the train horn works. Guess we got another flat here. Rear bumper's kind of hanging off. Now, what a big one. It's a little hard to tell because, you know, the tire's flat. This mount here, not the way it's meant to be. So the front axle is a little bit crooked. But hey, you'll have that on the big jumps. Other than that, she runs pretty good. Battery might be dead. But yeah, HEEP survived.
Time for a damage report on the Blazer, guys. Winch did awesome. That's freaking wicked. One of the bolt strips, so we'll just replace that. Took mud in the snorkel, so that all needs to be cleaned out. It didn't get past the air filter, so that's good. The air filter's in here. It's an inline air filter. Good to go. The ball joints on the passenger side are so bad I can literally twist and turn the tire. I can't really show you in the garage because it's too cramped, but it's bad. Sprayed everything off after the trip so that I can get in there, clean it up, fix it up nice and good. What else we got? There doesn't seem to be any damage in the rear, which is awesome. It's really stiff on the trails, which kind of sucks. That's what it is. Now, I know you guys can't really see all that well down here, but there's a pin that goes into my diff, and Blazer guys know what I'm talking about, but that pin connects to a fork, which pulls this gear into place, or a gear over it, something like that, and that's what's causing all my 4x4. So that's why I have no 4x4, because I'm going to get that fixed up, just waiting on the new fork, so, and hopefully I don't have to buy any gears for that. And then, yeah, so it's pretty much just ball joints and that, and I do have to realign, which isn't that big of a deal. I usually just use it in the garage myself. Other than that, everything is pretty good. Oh yeah, we overheated. Took us 4 hours to get home when it should have taken us like an hour. We overheated like crazy, so we've got to clean up the rad, probably put new thermostat in, and then go from there.
Blue tire. That's the end of that, I guess.